Hi everyone, my name is Philip and welcome to my channel. This week I've ordered a Reynolds IOT crypto ticker, which is a little paper ink display that displays the current price of various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. So let's do a unboxing video and set it up and see it working. The crypto ticker arrived in a plain white courier bag. It did have an international courier shipment label, which I've already removed. And I've just cut the package open to save some time. So we've got some instructions here, and this is the crypto ticker itself. Let's get this opened up. So I think it looks quite good. It's got a number of switches and bits and pieces here, and some instructions. All right, I'll just go read the instructions and then come back. There is a charging connector on the top of the device. It says it takes about 2 hours to charge and the battery will last a month. Right, this leftmost switch is an on-off switch. You slide it left to turn it on. This middle button, when you press it, it goes back to Bitcoin. And this last button, if you press it once, it will just refresh whatever coin's displayed. If you press and hold it for 3 seconds, it will move and start displaying the next crypto coin. Now it takes a little while to start up. Now the first time when it starts up, it comes up and asks you to connect to its Wi-Fi. It has one called, oh yes, it comes up and says refer to manual. All right, so we're just about there now. Yep, so refer to manual. Now you connect to a Wi-Fi network called Reynolds Wi-Fi, and then through this with either your phone or your computer. And then once that's done, you can configure the Wi-Fi to connect to your home system. So I'm just going to do that process. When you first connect to the Reynolds Wi-Fi network, it'll bring up the Async Wi-Fi Manager page. From here, you click Configure Wi-Fi. This will then bring up a list of all the Wi-Fi networks it can see. You select which one you want to use and put in the password. Then when you click save, it programs up the little controller, and a little status page will come up showing you that it's managed to connect okay and get its details. And then the display will refresh and show you the current Bitcoin price and the change in the last 24 hours. I've given the unit a charge for about half an hour now. So one thing to note is it doesn't ship with a USB charging lead, so you will need a micro USB charging lead. So this button on the right hand side, it changes between the different currencies. You press it and hold it in for 3 seconds, and then somewhere between 5 and 10 seconds later it updates the screen and you get the next cryptocurrency. So we've got Dogecoin being displayed now. We'll do one more. So you wouldn't want to be flicking between them. The cryptocurrencies often, you really just want to set it up to monitor one probably, and then just leave it sitting somewhere. And then the middle button goes back to the first one, which is Bitcoin. After about 5 or 10 seconds. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing video, and thank you for watching.